Mommy, how you doing? Why are you here supporting the JAHJAH Foundation today?
Jamaican abroad, helping Jamaican at home.
And because you're Jamaica abroad, you want to help with Jamaican at home?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think about the work that the JAHJAH Foundation is doing in Jamaica?
Great.
Like it?
Yes. They're doing a good job.
Please pray for the leader, okay, and the team.
Yes, I pray for him every day.
Pray for
Hard
me too.
work, and you too. Because I watch your video, and you are always asking people in Jamaica and talking to them and encouraging them. That's a good thing. Even when you were in Jamaica this year with the 2 accidents, and you guys have to jump in, it's very important.
We're just
Passing by.
Yeah.
And you guys jump in. No ambulance. So doing a good job, and I always
support you.
Yes, I will always.
Right. How's your sister doing over there?
She's fine.
I'm doing great today. I'm so excited to be here to support the JAHJAH Foundation. JAHJAH Foundation is always doing great things for Jamaica, and I really appreciate all the medical needs that they're providing for Jamaica, because we really need it, and we appreciate all the work that you're doing. JAHJAH Foundation,
you supporting us every
all
year.
the time.
Yeah,
yes,
big
all
up
the
yourself.
time, all the time.